Goeiedag, dit is Frieske Rieder hier. With the country shrouded in fog, less than 10 meters visibility, it's time to end the year and indeed the decennium. I want to wish everyone watching this video a happy new year. Don't do stupid shit with fireworks. Really don't. And I'll see ya in 2020. The best beer Frisia has to offer. Get a bottle if you can.